sing the fields, I sing the farm, I sing the house my mother was born in. Gorta Tuggart, Collamon, a green jewel, sewn in a patchwork quilt of fields, between the mountain and the river, in this time now and in another, where I ran free with my brothers, through the long meadow, the Connachon Rua, the Fort Field, the Park na Clasha, the New House Field, the Gullon Field, the Clover Field, the Rushy Field, where the red fuchsia weeps in the hen's garden, and the angels bleed over Bantry Bay. I see the house, I see the yard, I see the stall, I see the stable, I see the haggard and the hen's garden, I see the hill, I see the well, I sing the spring and the well water, the flat field, the hilly field, the south raygrass, the north raygrass, the brake and the parking the hornin, where the red fuchsia weeps in the hen's garden, and where God goes to sleep in the hills and valleys, and the moon rises over the haggard, and peace descends on Gorta Tuggart, and the angels bleed over Bantry Bay. I saddle up the old grey mare, Timby Danny and Jackie Timmy are gonna ride across the mountains to Puck Fair. I sing the fields, I sing the farm, I sing the house my mother was born in. Gorta Tuggart, Collamon, a green jewel.